everyone, Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 4-4 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 4-4 work together. In the last video, I read over the 4-4 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 4-4 work together, where we will be journalizing correcting entries. So the instructions say a journal is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following example. Okay, so in addition to that, we are also given 2 transactions. And it also says down here for number 1, journalize each correcting entry discovered during November of the current year. Use page 21 of the journal. All right, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 4-4 work together. All right, so now we're going to be moving on to the 4-4 work together, where we will be journalizing correcting entries. And we're going to start with the first transaction. So this first transaction reads, on November 1st, discovered that a transaction for supplies bought last month was journalized and posted in error as a debit to prepaid insurance instead of supplies. The amount is $60 and it's memorandum number 15. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is put in the date, which is November 1st. Next, we're going to put in supplies and then prepaid insurance for our account titles. Then we're going to put in our document number, which is M15 for memorandum number 15. Next, we are going to debit supplies for $60, and then we're going to credit prepaid insurance for the same amount. Okay, so that was the first transaction. Now we're going to be moving on to the second transaction. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the second and final transaction of this work together. So this transaction reads, on November 1st, discovered that a transaction for rent expense for last month was journalized and posted in error as a debit to repair expense instead of rent expense. The amount is $550 and it's memorandum number 16. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is put in the date, which is November 1st. Then we're going to put in rent expense and then repair expense for our account titles. Next, we're going to put in M16 or memorandum number 16 for our document number. Then we are going to debit rent expense for $550. And then we're going to credit repair expense for the same amount. Okay, so that was the second transaction, and it's also the end of the 4-4 work together. So in the next video, I will be going over the 5-1 text. All right, thank you.